As you move through Key Stage 1, we can solve division by using the multiplication facts that we already know. So 5 times 2 equals 10, therefore 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10, therefore 10 divided by 5 equals 2. We can then move on to solving divisions mentally. So we can read the number sentence, 14 divided by 2 equals, and then we need to count in the pattern of the second number. I've drawn a circle around the second number so I know which pattern to count in. And then we need to stop when we reach the first number. We can use our fingers to help. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You should be holding 7 fingers up, which gives us the answer of 7. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Let's move on to the next one. This time it's 30 divided by 5 equals. So we have to count not in the pattern of 2 but in the pattern of 5, and then stop when we reach the first number. Using our fingers again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You should have 6 fingers up. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Let's look at our last example. 80 divided by 10 equals. So we need to circle the second number and count in that pattern of 10 and stop when we reach 80. That will tell us how many 10s are in the number 80. Using your fingers again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There are 8 10s in the number 80. When the patterns become a little bit trickier to count in, we can use the number line to help us. So, when solving shared by 3 and shared by 4, the number line can be really useful. So, read the number sentence first. 20 divided by 4 equals. Draw the number line, and we need to start on 0. And just like we did before, we need to count in the pattern of the second number, but also draw the hops. Now, if we find it tricky to count in the pattern of the second number, the number line can help us because we can just add on the multiple. So 0, 4, and to work out the next multiple, we just need to count on 4. So 4 in your head, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next multiple is 8. 8, count on 4, makes the number 12. 12, count on 4, makes the number 16. 16, count on 4, makes the number 20. And that's when we need to stop. To find the answer to 20 divided by 4, all we need to do now is count the number of hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. We can also use the number line method to help us solve divisions with remainders. Let's use the steps to learning to help us. Read the number sentence. 9 divided by 2 equals. Draw our number line, start on 0 just like before, and count in the pattern of the second number. Don't forget to draw those hops. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I have to stop at 8 because if I went any further in my multiples of 2, I would go past the number 9. So I have to stop at the multiple before I reach the first number. In this case it's 8. So then let's count how many hops it's taken to get to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to record that number here, but we haven't finished yet. We still need to reach the number 9. So we can use a different colour to find out how many more it takes to get to 9. 8 and 1 more, hop, makes 9. So we have 1 remainder here. So the answer to 9 divided by 2 equals 4, remainder 1.